Hello and welcome. Today, I'll show you how to embed the video and the document in Trupeer. This option allows you to place your content inside another platform or page. Update the document once in Trupeer, and every embed will update automatically. To use this feature, click the Share option here, and you'll see the Embed option. From here, you can embed either the video or the document. For the video, you'll see two options, iframe HTML and URL only. You can copy the URL and paste it into Confluence or Notion. Just type /iframe, paste the URL, and press Enter. The video will appear. The same process works for the document. You can simply copy the URL, and it also works in Notion. Type / and type embed, and paste the URL link. Here, you can see the document. There is also an option to hide the Trupeer badge by clicking the toggle. Trupeer badge will remove on the video and document. Thank you for watching.